Respected Chief Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Iqra Hussain. I am 7 years old. I am educated in 2nd class in Fatema Urdu Primary School, Bari Colony, Aurangabad. My school is of Urdu medium, but gives proper attention on English as well as Marathi. Humera Miss is my class teacher and our head Mrs. Madam Khaja Kausar. Many activities organized at my school like sports day and gathering. Lot of things provided. K.B.N. Society Chairman, respected Qazi Tawfiq sir. Our teachers are always cooperate us for studies. I pay thanks to our head Mrs. Madam Khaja Kausar for giving me this golden chance. I love my school very much. I am thankful to Almighty for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. Thank you.